friends, welcome back to CAD Design Excellence. Today we are going to make this part with the help of this sketch, and this is our exercise number 12. And if you have any doubts, then please comment, and if you are new on the channel, then please subscribe for more tutorials. And let's start. So firstly, take a plane and normal to. First we draw this portion, and after that this cut, and after that this portion. Okay, so make a sketch. Go to sketch and draw a sketch. Okay, simply draw a sketch. Let's redraw on this portion, this point. Okay, now dimension. This is 27, and this one is 46, and this one also 27. Okay, now the height. This height is 25 millimeter, and this one is equal, and height, this height is 10 millimeter. Make equal, and total height is 50. This one and this one is also equal, and the height is 60 millimeter, and this one also is 25. Okay, now go to finish sketch and extrude. Extrude height millimeter, and okay. So our first portion is ready. Now we have to make cut on it. So click on this face and take a plane. Flip direction, and distance is 15 millimeter. Click OK. Go to plane, normal to, and sketch. Now make a sketch. We draw a sketch. Okay. First, this is 5 millimeter, and the height is 25. Okay. Now go to finish sketch, or we take mirror on this side, or just cut extrude first and then mirror. Okay, so let's cut extrude first. Sorry, cut extrude. Flip direction. This is 20 millimeter, and okay. Okay, so this is our cut. Now we have to mirror. Take a plane, a reference plane. Total is 27, 54 and 46, 100. So take 50 millimeter and okay. Now go to mirror and features to mirror, cut extrude and okay. So we mirror this side also. Now hide the plane, this one also hide. Okay, now we have to draw this portion. Go to this face and normal tool and take extrude first and draw a circle on the center. Okay, first one, second dimension. The outer circle is 40 and inner circle is 20. Okay, and the distance there is 50. Okay, and this distance is 25. Okay, now finish the sketch and we have to extrude is 25 millimeter. Result and okay. So you can see our exercise is complete, and if you have any doubts then please comment, and thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.